What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over Tron, guys. We've seen a nice bounce. We bounced right off our previous swing high. We're up almost 11% on the day, so we're going to go over the analysis. We're sitting at a market cap of 8.28 billion. 24-hour volume is 3.39 billion. Let's get straight into it, guys. So here's Tron on the 4-hour chart. So you can see we came down and we found support on the 20 EMA on the 4-hour, which was very close to our previous swing high. And we bounced, and we're currently retesting this level here. Let me drop in a little price tag at 0.118, which in the past was a major level of support for Tron. So if we were to break above this, it's not promised, guys, but if we did break above this, there's really not a lot of resistance until the 0.786 and the all-time high. But if we get rejected here and we do roll over, of course, all eyes on Bitcoin. We are seeing a bit of low volume here. So if Bitcoin were to get rejected and we roll over once again, it will bring Tron back down to these levels of support, 0.11, 0.105 and 0.096. But if we do break through this, it's a very bullish sign for Tron, because as you can see here, if we were to break that level of resistance, I'll drop it in on the daily here as well. There's really not a lot of resistance until the 0.786 at 13 cents, 135.135. And then you have your all-time high for Tron. But we can't get too excited yet because of Bitcoin. We need to see some more volume. We need to get back above the 55. We need to break 46.7, and then that's when you can see Tron see that continuation. But as of right now, if Bitcoin were to roll, then we may create a double top or simply come back to these levels of support. If we look at Tron here on the daily, there is a bearish divergence that I want to make you guys aware of. You can see here the price is rising while the RSI is making lower highs, guys. So do keep an eye on that, because that does signify that the bulls are losing strength. It doesn't mean we won't trend up higher to 0.135, but you know what we just saw with Bitcoin. We had our bearish divergence. It took a while to play out, and then we sold off quite quickly. So do keep an eye on that on the daily time frame. So that's basically it for Tron. If we can break this high, that's when you could see Tron head up to 13 cents, 0.135. But of course, you need the strength of Bitcoin. If Bitcoin were to roll over here, that's when you could see Tron come back to these levels of support. So key for Tron to break this previous high would be a very bullish sign of strength for the bulls here. But if we just get rejected, then that's when we can come down to these levels of support. Guys, shout out to today's video sponsor, Crypto.com, the world's fastest crypto growing app. They have incredible benefits, including their Visa card, free Netflix, Spotify, Prime, travel incentives, as well as cash back in crypto, guys. They also have their Crypto Earn, where you can earn awesome interest on staking your coins. Bitcoin 6%, Tether 12%, guys, 12% for USDT. We have Crow at 6%, Ethereum at 6.5%. Do check them out, guys. They're also sponsored by the UFC. They're on the UFC jerseys. As you can see here, there's my man Joe Rogan, and you can see the Crypto.com right on the UFC jersey. So Crypto.com is growing rapidly. Incredible time to get involved. Receive $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So that's basically it, guys. If we break resistance, we head up to these price targets. Do keep an eye on the divergence. And then if we do roll over here, if Bitcoin simply gets rejected by the 55 and we roll back into this pattern, Tron will come back down to these levels of support, 0.11, 0.105, and 0.096. All right, guys, that's it for Tron. Smash that like button. Tron is available to trade on Bybit. Sign up through my referral for up to $600 in bonuses. Check out the Discord, over 1,000 members. I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.